Watch Tesla Cybertruck tackle dirt road, use gigantic wiper. A new drone video shows the Tesla Cybertruck during an impromptu off-road driving session on Gigafactory Texas construction site, providing a look at how the suspension works on bumps. Shot by drone operator Brad Sloan via Electrek. The video follows the Cybertruck from the south of the massive facility over to a charging station, revealing some interesting details along the way. For example, we see the Tesla Cybertruck, which is likely a production candidate vehicle, like the one Elon Musk drove last week, briefly use its massive windshield wiper during the drive. There's no typo. The Cybertruck has a single wiper despite boasting a huge windshield. Mind you, the wiper is also oversized and, when not in use, it remains on display for everyone to see, resting alongside the driver's side a pillar. The wiper appears to ensure a good coverage of the windshield, with its tip extending all the way to the base of the passenger side a pillar. This suggests that Tesla has made the wiper even longer than before. And we say that because a photo released by Tesla earlier this year showed a Cybertruck prototype testing off-road with the windshield covered with mud. A sign that the windshield was not doing its job very well. That problem appears to be solved now, so what else is noteworthy about this video? Well, it's good to see the Tesla Cybertruck driving on something else than asphalt. Even if the terrain is obviously not very difficult, the electric truck is seen driving on the dirt roads used by construction trucks and other machinery. The Tesla looks in its element driving on dirt, and the suspension appears to soak up bumps nicely. At one point, the electric truck drives by another pickup truck, which appears to be a previous generation Ford F-150. The Cybertruck appears to be roughly the same size, with the only notable exception being the EV's significantly lower body height. Early in the video, the Cybertruck also demonstrates its tight turning circle when the driver decides to turn the vehicle around in one quick maneuver. All in all, there's exciting stuff in the video, so make sure you check it out. Source: reposted and summarized from Dan Mihalascu at Inside EVS.